Hello everyone, this video is in continuation to our videos on human reproduction where we were discussing about placenta. Fine. So in this video we'll talk about the different types of placenta. So watch the video till the end because in the end you'll get everything with the diagram on the board. In this video specifically we'll be talking about the type of placenta on the basis of histology, or if I simplify, on the basis of arrangement of tissue arrangement. Fine. So we'll be talking about the types of placenta. It will take a while, so I have divided this video into two parts. In the next part you will get the different other divisions on the basis of layers present, on the basis of behavior during parturition, on the basis of villi present. But herein in this video we'll specifically talk about the tissue arrangement, most important type, and thoda sa descriptive also. So we'll start with it. The first type of placenta on the basis of, first of all, before doing that, before the divisions, first of all we'll understand that how the tissues are arranged in the body, or you can say during the formation of the placenta. We'll talk about the fetal and the placental tissues. Now starting up, suppose we'll be making the two layers here simultaneously. This is the blood vessel of the fetus, the blood vessel of the mother. I'll just make it parallelly to make things clear. Then we have the next layer, that is the connective tissue which is surrounding the blood vessels in the fetus, and herein the connective tissues which are surrounding the blood vessels in the maternal side, in the maternal placenta. Fine. Then we have the next layer, that is herein we have chorionic villi. Fine. We have this villus. We all know that villus, they have embedded themselves in the wall of the endometrium, and in the endometrial side we have this endometrium lining here. I label all the parts. Now the divisions, so the tissues which are present between, this chorionic villi to embed in the maternal blood are, the first one, the first layer would be the blood vessel. Ye fetal side hai, I'll write here to save that space, that side. This is the color. This is the fetal side, and this is the maternal side. This is the mother side or maternal side. Fine. So now we have the blood vessel, then we have the connective tissues, and we have the chorionic membrane, or you can say chorionic villi. Herein we have endometrium, endometrium lining, then we have the connective tissue, the maternal one, and we have the blood vessels, the maternal one. Fine. So if you count them, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer. So these are the 6 layers which are there between the maternal and the fetal tissues. Now talking about the different types of placenta on the basis of presence and absence of these layers. The first type of tissue on the basis of these 6 layers would be epitheliochorionic tissue or placenta. Epitheliochorionic placenta. Fine. So this type of a placenta, this type of an arrangement where all the 6 layers are present is known as epitheliochorionic. We'll write here all 6 tissues, or you can say layers also, are present in this type of placenta. The second type of placenta would be syndesmochorionic placenta. Syndesmochorionic placenta. Syndesmochorionic placenta will have 5 layers. I'll just draw it here. Now it has these 5 layers. We'll draw in the same manner. The blood vessel here. Fine. Then it has which layer will disappear. We'll be talking about it. Fine. So we have the blood vessel here. We have the connective tissue here, the fetal one, and then we have the villi, chorionic villi here. Fine, this is the villi. And herein we have the blood vessel till where the chorionic villi need to reach, and we have the connective tissue present here. Fine. So how many layers? Count them. First layer, that is the blood vessels. Second layer, that's the connective tissue. Third layer, that is the chorionic villi. Fourth layer, that is the connective tissue. And fifth layer, that is the blood vessel. So which layer has dissolved here? Which layer has been removed? That is the endometrial lining. Fine. Endometrial lining degenerate is removed now. Fine. So one layer less here. It has 5 layers here, and that is syndesmochorionic villi. Next type of villi is endotheliochorionic placenta. Now in endotheliochorionic placenta, the connective tissue is going to get lost. So we'll make the structure here: blood vessel, fetal and maternal. Herein we have connective tissue. Obviously the fetal layers are going to remain, because we are talking about the embedding or the reaching of the villi in the wall of the, or you can say in the female's blood or the maternal blood. We have the chorionic villi here. Fine. The connective tissue, it gets lost here. There is no connective tissue. I'll make it here. Just yes. So the connective tissue, the maternal connective tissue has lost now. We'll write the layers. First, second layer, third layer is the villi, and we have the fourth layer, that is the maternal blood vessel. So which layers are lost here? Has only 4 layers of tissues. Now the lost layers are endometrium plus connective tissue, that is maternal, both of them. Maternal side gets dissolved. Fine. So this is the third type of placenta, that is endotheliochorionic placenta. So after endotheliocorial placenta, or you can say chorionic, or you can say chorial, I'll just chorial placenta, and herein also last type of placenta is known as, is found in human beings, and that is the hemochorial placenta. Fine. So the hemochorial placenta is found in the humans, and in hemochorial placenta, this villi will embed in the blood, in the mother's blood, or this blood vessel will also rupture, and this chorionic villi will be now found in the mother's blood. We'll make the layers again: the fetal blood vessel, the connective tissue, then we have the villi. Now this villi is embedded, it is embedded in the maternal blood here, because the blood vessel has ruptured. The enzymes from chorionic villi, I'll write it here, enzymes from chorionic villi rupture the maternal blood vessels so that the villi are dipped in the maternal blood. Fine. So how many layers are here? We have only 1, 2, 3, and maternal blood is absent, so we have only 3 layers. And finally the maternal blood. So this is how the placenta are categorized. The first category, which has all the 6 layers present. Second, that is epitheliochorial placenta. Syndesmochorial placenta, wherein endometrium gets degenerate and we are left with 5. Endotheliochorial placenta, wherein the endometrium and connective tissue, maternal side, they are degenerated, hence we are left with only 4 layers. Hemochorial placenta, I'll write here, found in humans. Fine. So this is one of the feature of placenta of humans, that the human placenta is hemochorial placenta. Fine. It's a hemochorial type of placenta wherein the villi, they dip in the, or they bathe in the maternal blood. So these are the different types of placenta on the basis of histology or arrangement of the tissues. In our next video, we'll talk about the other type of placenta, wherein we'll be talking about the 3 categories. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.